The factors influencing dirt removal were summarized by the German chemist Herbert Sinner in 1959. The cleaning world knows this as the Sinner's circle. One of the sub-factors of dirt removal is mechanics. For example, using a microfiber cloth instead of a cotton cloth or a disposable cloth, using a brush instead of a sponge, using cleaning machines instead of manual cleaning. When choosing the cleaning supplies, it is important to consider the type of dirt to be removed. Is it dust, stains, or attached dirt? For example, a soft, fluffy, and damp mop is good at removing dust, but does not remove attached dirt. When buying the cleaning supplies, it is wise to think about what will help remove the dirt. Instead of light stroking, the removal of attached dirt requires strong wiping, which should be emphasized when training employees. In the experiments of the PandemicClean project, it came out that an interior mop is a quick and ergonomic way for wiping school desks. At the same time, we found that the mechanics of wiping school desks with this cleaning equipment were lacking. The result was significantly better when done by hand with a microfiber cloth. When considering cleaning ergonomics, it is important to save the employee from excessive physical exertion and, if possible, use cleaning machines. It is important to look for ways to achieve sufficient mechanics to remove dirt. Sufficiently strong wiping is required to remove dirt. There are more mechanics involved with a machine than with manual cleaning.